It's been a while. Let's do some fishing. So it's gonna be our first day back from winter that we're going fishing, so hopefully we catch something. It's definitely a little windy out here today, but hopefully we'll still get something. Dad just caught a fish here today. That's a nice little fish there. Good job, Dad. Switched over to the bait caster here. Try this little trick worm and a jig. Look what finally happened, baby. Let's go.
Chill. There's a hook on that.
Woo! Nice guy.
I'm gonna pet it.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Catch you later.